Can you describe how you prepare for a trip, including booking flights, accommodation, and packing?
Oh, before any trip, there's always a lot to prepare. My husband and I divide the work. He books the flights and hotel, and I take care of packing and planning what to do. This way, things get done faster. Since we have two kids, we always have so much luggage. I try to pack only what we really need, but, you know, it still ends up being heavy. Most of the space is taken up by the kids' clothes. They go through so many outfits every day. I also like to plan our schedule before the trip, but I don't make it too detailed. With kids, you never know what will happen, right? So I just write down some fun places to visit and good restaurants, and we decide as we go. So yeah, that's how we get ready for a trip. It takes some effort, but it's always exciting in the end.